What's up everybody, Jose Ortiz here with PetRockMedia.com, and today we're bringing you the latest in gaming news of the week of August the 9th. Let's check it out. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post a video or go live. So today we're talking about some latest gaming updates and news you'll find today, August the 9th. First thing, if you may or may not heard, Discord will now start rolling out a going live feature, which is going to allow you to stream with up to 10 individuals watching you play your game. Now, Discord is not directly attacking Mixer, Twitch, and so forth because it's limiting to only 10 people allowed to watch your game at once. Now, Go Live is intended to give people the feeling of gaming in a living room with your friends, and it shows by the way it's actually rolling out. It works based on Discord's game detection, the game feature that shows your friends what games you're playing and when you're playing it. Now, this is straight from them. It says the feature will work with any server, although fully boosted servers will have options for higher quality streams, and so will anybody with Nitro. So if you're a big, huge Discord family and you're huge into Discord, you now be able to go live with up to 10 of your closest friends checking you out. Another big news, the drop of the limited edition Gears of War 5 Xbox One X edition. Now there's two different types of bundles. There's the Xbox One X bundle edition, which is $499. And then there's the limited edition $499 Gears of War 5 bundle package. Now the difference is the Gears of War limited edition is the one that's frost painted white, and you can see it coming out of the snow, almost, in my opinion, kind of like a Game of Thrones White Walker theme, if you will. It's really, really awesome. I'll leave links down below. Get yours if you're interested in that. Pre-order it now, because I'm almost certain these pre-orders will go like that, and I'm sure they're going to be worth a whole lot more money once they sell out. So if you're a huge Gears of War fan, pick up the bundle. It also comes with the Gears of War 5 along with digital downloads for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you're interested in catching up, you'll be able to play all the games while you're then getting all pumped up to play Gears of War 5. On that note, this month in August, Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Ultimate Game Pass members are able to download Gears of War 4 to play to catch up. So if you've played 1, 2, and 3 and you're looking to play Part 4 again to continue your journey in Part 5, now's the time to download it, free up some hard drive space, download that bad boy, and get gaming. Now for you Nintendo Switch owners, Nintendo NES Online has released its latest games that are going to be available, and one of them is pretty cool and can be considered incredibly rare. Now, August's free NES titles include Kung Fu Heroes and the action game Vice Project Doom. Now, the second one is the one that's extremely important because that one has not been around since its initial release back in the 90s, 1991 if I'm not mistaken. So this is making its first official port in almost 30 years. So that makes it pretty rare. So if you're an NES Online member on the Nintendo Switch, fire it up, download it, let me know what you think in the comments. Now, both of these games will join the ranks August 21st. So make sure you make some space, get a bigger SD card if you need one, download it when it becomes available, and let me know what you think in the comments if you're enjoying these two games. This, if you're keeping count, brings the game availability for the NES Online platform to 48 games. So that's pretty impressive considering the amount of games you get and the price tag for it. So if you're a member, let me know in the comments what you think of the service. Do you play majority of the games, and have you been enjoying being able to play older NES games on your Switch? And lastly, guys, I just wanted to close with how important to me, and this is my opinion, how important video games are to me and my own story. Video games played a huge part of my life growing up, not always being popular, not always being out there, and having a video game to come home to and fire up the story and just immerse myself in that story. Legend of Zelda, Super Mario, Metroid, Contra, a lot of these games, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games on the Nintendo, really, really brought story into my life visually. So I have a video, and I'm going to link it down below, about why I love video games. I'd really appreciate it if you check that out. Let me know what you think in the comments. With everything going on right now and a lot of backlash coming to what's quote-unquote deemed violent video games, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. How has video games impacted you? How have you felt about them? And if you truly, truly enjoy a great story from a video game, share your story down below. Keep it clean, guys. Again, guys, this is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, bringing you the latest gaming news of the week of August the 9th, 2019. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post a video or go live. This is Jose Ortiz again from PetRockMedia.com, signing out. Peace.